Imagine a small oval seed with a strong, distinctive aroma. This is Ajwain, a spice that's not just a flavor enhancer, but a powerhouse of nutrients and medicinal properties. Known also as Carom Seeds, Ajwain is a cherished secret of Indian cuisine, lending a unique burst of flavor to dishes. But did you know that this humble spice is also a potent remedy in traditional medicine? From digestive aid to respiratory relief, Ajwain is truly a marvel. Join us as we delve deeper into the world of Ajwain, a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. Ajwain holds a significant place in Indian cuisine, adding a burst of flavor to a variety of dishes. This humble spice is a staple in Indian kitchens, revered for its robust aroma and distinctive taste. Traditionally, Ajwain is used in the tempering process of Indian cooking, where it's lightly fried in oil or ghee to release its potent flavor. This tempering is then added to lentil soups, curries, and vegetable dishes, enhancing them with a captivating depth of flavor. But the culinary versatility of Ajwain extends beyond tempering. It's a star ingredient in many Indian breads, such as the Ajwain paratha, a flaky, pan-fried flatbread that pairs perfectly with pickles and yogurt. Another delightful way to enjoy Ajwain is through Ajwain-infused buttermilk, a refreshing and digestive drink enjoyed across the subcontinent. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, Ajwain can add a unique touch to your culinary creations. But Ajwain is more than just a flavorful spice. It's a treasure trove of health benefits, from aiding digestion to boosting respiratory health. Ajwain, or carom seeds, are known to be a reliable digestive aid. Consuming these little seeds can help alleviate common issues such as indigestion, bloating, and flatulence, making for a more comfortable post-meal experience. Beyond the digestive system, Ajwain also lends a helping hand to those struggling with gastric discomfort and acidity. Its soothing properties promote a healthier, more balanced digestive system, reducing discomfort and contributing to overall well-being. The benefits don't stop at the stomach. Ajwain seeds are packed with anti-inflammatory compounds. These can assist in reducing inflammation and pain, providing relief for a multitude of ailments. When it comes to respiratory health, Ajwain is a breath of fresh air. It can provide relief from common respiratory issues like coughs, colds, and even asthma symptoms. Ajwain also manifests as a warrior against infections with impressive antibacterial and antifungal properties. Regular consumption can help bolster the body's defense against harmful microbes. In addition, Ajwain can stimulate appetite and improve digestion, making it a useful ally for those aiming to maintain a healthy weight. Speaking of weight, Ajwain's metabolism-boosting properties might just give your weight loss efforts a much-needed push. And the cherry on top? Ajwain is rich in essential nutrients like iron, calcium, and manganese, making it a nutritious addition to your diet. Incorporating Ajwain into your diet is not just a culinary adventure, but a step towards better health.